Hey everybody, this is Marcus Eligan, broker owner of Mortgage Experts, your favorite mortgage expert. Coming to you part 2 of my renovation series. So basically, I went over what type of loans you can actually get with a FHA or renovation loan. But now I'm going to talk to you about what things can be fixed in the renovation loan. So you can actually repair your kitchen or remodel your kitchen, I should say. You can repair or remodel a bathroom. You can repair or remodel a second addition. You can pretty much do or fix up your house the any way you want it. If you want to change carpet to hardwood, if you want to replace the windows, if you want to replace the roof, if you want to replace your HVAC systems and your major appliances, you can do all of that with the renovation loan. So it's a great loan. It's a great way to get in the door and not pay for a brand new home that sells ticket. You can actually find a undervalued or underpriced home and be able to purchase that home and fix it up the way you want it and still be under the price of a brand new build home. Have a great day, everybody.